Hello everyone, this is WordPress Holder, the first YouTube channel where you can ask your WordPress questions and get your support video for free. Do not hesitate to contact me with comments under this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I want to show you the error after migration with images. So something like this. We're trying to upload image, it's uploading, and after that we see error. Okay? So how to fix this issue? We should go to the settings and go to the media. By the way, this error is very often after migration, so don't forget to check your website. So after we went to the settings and media, okay, there is uploading files and store upload in the folder. Okay, and now we should change it to the default. To be true, this should be like on your hosting, okay? This is the absolute way from the root of hosting to your uploads folder. So you should check this way in the hosting, like this one. Like go to the file manager. This is my hosting, by the way. So go to the file manager and let's wait. By the way, Bluehost is the best hosting ever, so you can check the URL below this video. I left it. Okay, public HTML, WP content, uploads. Okay, as you can see, in my case, my way will be like this. So we copied it. Don't forget to add slash. And click Save Changes. Okay, let's check how it works. Let's try to upload it again. Okay, it doesn't work, you see? So, it means we did wrong settings. Let's try to use default. Okay, resave. Let's refresh this page, just for some case. Okay, and now let's upload this cat again. Great, it works. So here should be the right folder. By the way, you can see it's not visible anymore as I made it as default. If you do not see these fields, you should go, let me remind, like settings.php or options.php. Yeah, you should go to the options.php. It should be like this, your website, WP admin, and options.php, and you will see all options for WordPress. Use search and type upload. So you'll see upload path. And if you do not see it below settings media, you should go to the options.php, type it manually, find upload path and change it here. After scroll to the down and click Save Changes. Okay, so I really hope this video helps you. If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. There will be news soon. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.